Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys 3 types of hook. And yes, I know I already did a hook tutorial, but the one I did is more on the basic side of hook. Okay, this one is more advanced and more variation type of hook. So if you haven't checked out my basic hook tutorial, I'm going to put the link on the top here and also on the description below. Now, this kind of hook is more leaning to the variation type or also more advanced type. But even though it's advanced, it's not that hard to do either. So make sure you watch the video from the start to the end and make sure you learn it, because I promise you, if you can master all of this, you can build up your ground game in B-Boy. Alright, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon so whenever my channel is uploading a new video, you will get notified. Alright, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to click the subscribe button. 3, 2, 1. Done. Now let's go to the tutorial itself. So the first hook, I call this the back hook. So we're gonna start from the 6th step. Now I won't go deep into the 6th step tutorial because I already did it. So if you want to learn it, it's on the video called 1 step to 7 step tutorial. If you haven't learned it, I'm gonna put the link on top here and also on the description below. Go there and check it out because 6th step is one of the steps in that tutorial. Alright, so again, 6th step. Normal 6th step. Now go back to the first positions again, which is the push-up positions, and then this is where the back hook is coming. You're gonna bring your right leg and then put your right leg here onto the back of your left knee, and it will look something like this. Alright, one more time. Push-up positions, right leg, put it on the back of your left knee. And while you're doing that, you can see that I'm bringing my left leg up. I mean my left hand up. One more time, I'm going to do all the way from 6th step until the end. I'm going to do the back hook. Now I'm just giving you guys the example from 6th step, but you can see you don't have to do it from 6th step. You can basically do this from any footwork. Alright, now if you master one side, you can do the other side. So again, left leg in the front, right leg on the back of the left knee. You can bring your right leg back again to the first positions, bring your left leg to the back as well. Now bring your left leg to the first step of the 6th step, and now bring your right leg and put it behind your left knee. Now if you already mastered both, you can do this repeatedly both sides. There you go, back hook. Now we are going to the second hook, and it's called the jump hook. Now jump hook is very straightforward. We're going to start from the normal hook. So this is a normal hook. Now what you want to do next is just swing your right leg out and at the same time do a jump. So we're doing jump, you want to make sure that your pose looks big. Then you're gonna really bring your chest up. Alright, so we jump, chest up, and then when you're coming back down, immediately going back to the hook. So only one hand is on the ground. Make sure your right hand is on the ground, or if you're using your left hand, and do the reverse of what I'm doing here. So now let's see how jump hook looks like. There you go, the jump hook. And you can see that when you're doing jump hook, it takes a lot of your hand strength and your hip strength, because you're gonna do a lot of things at the same time. So make sure you get used to that before you apply it into your set. Now the last one, I call this the back hook. So I call this back hook because you can do this on your back. To start out with this move, hook your right leg over to your left leg, okay? And now you're gonna bring all your body weight and place it on the ground. Alright, so now in these positions, what you want to do next is just gonna swing out your right leg, or you want to do a kick so your move looks much bigger. Kick, bring him back to the ground, and now you're gonna switch your upper body to the other side. For my case, I'm switching from right side to left side, and then I'm gonna hook my left leg onto my right leg. So get used to this movement. Switch again, hook, kick, switch, hook, kick, switch, hook. Now if you're already comfortable with both side back hook, you can apply this and do a transition with other move. There you go, I just showed you guys 3 types of hook variations you can do. If you ask me which one should you learn first, then I would say that the basic hook. Alright, watch that basic hook video, learn that basic hook first, and then come here and learn these all variations, because I think that it's easier for you guys to learn it because you already know the basic. But you know, again, it really depends on how your body react. Everyone has their own way to learning things, so just go with the flow. If you want to learn this immediately and you think that you can do it, go ahead, no problem. Alright, that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.